member for Zomba Sondole to insinuate that Zomba Malosa Akumatikhutchumulira Mabere. Akumatikhutchumulira Mabere. That is harassment, Mr. Speaker. I will not allow it. Honorable Speaker, point of order. That is harassment.
Honourable members.
On the floor of the House, and he is referring to the honourable member as Akumatikhutchumulira Mabere. What does that even mean?
Yes.
Zomba Malosa is married, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Zomba Malosa is married. Why is he saying Akumatikhutchumulira Mabere? And what was he doing? Akumatikhutchumulira Mabere Zomba Malosa. How?
Honourable members, thank you, Government Whip.
I would like to appeal to you that we female members of parliament, we should not be deliberately starting it, because what the member of Zomba did, it's not right. Because she did that on the what's that? What do we want to show to our members of parliament, to the men? We need the respect, yes, but we should not be doing it that deliberately. Thank you so much.
Minister of Gender.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. Could you please allow the Honourable Member to withdraw that statement? Please, with due respect.
Point of order.
And as women in this House, we will not tolerate any violence against women. As a Minister of Gender, I will not allow any woman in this House to be intimidated or harassed. So allow the member to withdraw. Thank you.